Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on substitution with negative numbers. When carrying out substitution involving negative numbers, we have to be extremely careful with respect to the signs. Sometimes a number line can be useful when subtraction or addition of negative numbers is involved. Let's look at some examples. Evaluate each algebraic expression given the following values for each pronumeral. So here we have 6 different pronumerals and their values, and here we have the number line just in case we need to use it. It can be very useful. The first example is a plus m. Now a is 2 and m is minus 5, so it's 2 plus minus 5. Now we saw in an earlier video that when you have two signs like that together, they can be changed to a minus sign. So a plus and a minus can be changed to a minus sign. So that's really 2 minus 5. Now if you wanted to use the number line, you actually put your marker on 2 and you go 5 to the left because it has minus 5. So we put the marker on 2 and we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we've landed on minus 3, so that's the answer. Example number 2 is n minus b. Now n is 6 and b is minus 3. So n minus b will be 6 minus minus 3. When the two signs are the same, two minus signs, you change that to a plus. So 6 plus 3 is 9. You don't actually need the number line for that one. So 6 plus 3 is 9. I've just put the values here just for ease of reference and also the number line. So they're the same values that we had on the previous slide. NC divided by B. So we have N, C and B. And the values are 6 times 4, because NC means multiplication, and we're dividing by minus 3 because b is minus 3. So we have multiplication and division, so we just work from left to right. 6 fours are 24. 24 divided by minus 3 or negative 3. You can say it either way. So a plus divided by a minus is a minus, and we saw that in earlier videos. So the answer is minus 8. b minus m. Now b is minus 3 and m is minus 5. So it's minus 3 minus minus 5, which is really minus 3 plus 5 because two minuses give you a plus. So it's minus 3 plus 5. So if we put our counter on minus 3 and we move 5 places to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the answer is plus 2. 3a plus b minus c. That's 3 times 2 plus minus 3 minus 4. Now we have 3 2s are 6, so we have to do the multiplication first. So that's really 6 there. Now plus and a minus gives you a minus, and that's the minus there. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Then we have 3 minus 4. So if we put the counter on 3 and move 4 places to the left, and we get an answer of minus 1. And finally we have m squared. Now since m is minus 5, we have minus 5 all squared. This squared sign means that whatever the value of m is, sorry, that should be a lowercase m, but that's fine. So that should be a lowercase m, which is the same as this one here. So it's minus 5 all squared. Minus 5 by minus 5 is plus 25, because minus multiplied by minus is a plus. So this video has given us more examples of substituting into algebraic expressions, but this time we've had to contend with negative numbers. See, that's some negative numbers here, and basically the rule is we have to be very, very careful with the signs. There are basic rules which guide us, which we've seen in earlier videos. If we follow those rules, we can't go wrong.